Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to talk about the mailbox inside of Voices of the Void. The simple answer is you don't really get anything from this mailbox for the game itself. This is exclusively for you to send items to yourself on other saves. And to use it, all you have to do is open that bad boy up, put something inside of it. In this case, I'm putting the radioactive capsule in it because it's the easiest way to make additional Kerfers. And then I'm going to save the game. It's going to warn me that container data will not save, backpacks, crates, and boxes, etc. because of the mailbox warning. That's fine. Basically just telling you that if you take stuff out of this in another save, then you will lose it in this main save. This is not like a free storage container, so don't treat it like such. So now I'm going to go back to the main menu. I'm going to go to my other save. I'm going to click play. And then once I'm in here, because that's a radioactive capsule, I don't want to give my character cancer on my main save, I'm going to put on a hazmat suit. And then we're going to pop over here. And then we're going to open up this, and then boom, look, radioactive capsule. All for me. Everyone's favorite. And then we're going to take it over here. We're going to put it in this box. And then everybody's happy, hunky-dory. And boom. So now, if I return after saving this game, I have to save this one first or else it won't act like there's still a capsule in there. Now if I've saved this game, and I go back to the main menu, and I go back to the spare capsule save, and I open the storage on that mailbox, the capsule should be gone. So now you can see it's gone, and now I don't have it in this world. So that's the way that people like save scum, where they go into other saves and they put items inside of here and send it to their main. And for the most part, it's the easiest way to get spare capsules in this game right now as of 0.8.0, just because the process of making them yourself is a little bit janky and kind of a pain in the rear. So, this is far quicker. Probably took me about 15 minutes to send 2 to myself. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.